To-do lists. Do you feel like you have 1,000 things on your to-do list? Things that you've written down as well as things that you've been carrying around in your head? On one hand, striking out things from our to-do list can give us a sense of satisfaction. On the other hand, a list of growing and not done items can stress us out in the long term. And the most important question to ask is, being busy doing all these things, are we actually making progress? Are we actually getting closer to where we want to be? I don't believe in living our lives off a to-do list. There are several problems with it. The to-do list puts everything on the same level. It doesn't tell us how important or how valuable an item is. It doesn't tell us whether it's time sensitive. And it doesn't tell us how it relates to the bigger picture. Everything is mixed up together as though everything is equally important. I'm not against to-do lists though. I think that to-do lists are very useful. I just think that we need to redefine how, when, and for what purpose we use them. To-do lists are useful when used at a micro level, for example, as a checklist or short-term reminder, but they are less useful when it comes to making progress in the long term. So now how can we simplify and detox our to-do list? When to-dos are just piling up, try to use a combination of brain dump, 4 quadrants, and elimination. First, start off by doing a brain dump. Transfer all the things that you think you need to do on paper or digital device. Simply write down everything that comes to mind. The second step is to sort each of these items based on their importance and urgency. This prioritization matrix is known as the Eisenhower matrix, invented by Dwight D. Eisenhower, and also popularized by Stephen R. Covey in his book 7 Habits for Effective People. Important things are things that are related to the achievement of your goals. Urgent things are things that require your immediate attention. Try to place each of your to-do items in the right quadrant. Whether something is important or urgent will depend on your goals, your vision, and your priorities in life. Something that is important to someone else may not be important to you. Let's say that you finished sorting all your to-do items into the respective quadrants. So what does that mean now? The items in quadrants 1 to 3 are all the things that you've decided that need to be done at some point in time, either now or in future, either by you or through the help of someone else. But that is a topic for another video. Back to detoxing the to-do list. The last step is to eliminate as many items as possible from this 4th quadrant. This will immediately reduce the length of your to-do list. This model has its limitations, but it does have its merits too. By using this framework several times and comparing the items in each quadrant, you can gradually see the relative importance and value of each to-do item, and realize that they don't all deserve the same status. In future, when you think of something that you think you need to do, you can immediately recognize things that are neither important nor urgent and save yourself a lot of time and energy by not putting them on your to-do list in the first place.